Hi. I'm going to talk about Baton Rouge. Old Jefferson Hurricane Katrina buyer loses $32,500 selling. Old Jefferson Katrina home buyer in $160s in 2007 is losing $32,500 selling at market value in 2013. Sometimes what goes up does come down. What are the lessons to learn from this homeowners lose? Remember, in early 2005 in Old Jefferson subbed when the median sales price was $119,000 and overnight after Katrina they were selling in the $140s. Kid and listed with an agent and in MLS, $4,000 in closing cost paid when home was purchased, $4,000 in seller paid concessions, and $8,000 new roof installed since purchase and $2,500 new paint job. Total loss was $32,500. Agent selling commission in 2013 not included. Agent selling commission in 2013 were included. The loss would be $41,000 exclamation mark. It doesn't include the selling commission of over $8,000. If commission were added, this would be a lose of $41,000 for simply buying a home in Old Jefferson after Katrina and selling in 2013 after the market stabilized. Pertinent points. 1. Buyer was not under any pressure in 2007 to overpay. This post-Hurricane Katrina buyer purchased in 2007 and was not in immediate need of emergency housing right after Katrina. In other words, this buyer wasn't under an immediate need to overpay for a home as many were in the weeks and months after Katrina. 2. Buyer overpaid in 2007 by $10,000. This buyer paid $10,000 more for this home than other comparable homes were selling for in Old Jefferson. Why? The buyer overpaid, period, and the home wasn't in an updated or renovated condition at time of purchase. 3. For 2007 sale, home was not professionally priced. In 2007, buyer purchased from an individual seller and home was not professionally priced by a local agent nor an appraiser, I assume, based on 39 Old Jefferson home sales in 2007. So, what are the lessons to learn from this homeowners lose? 1. Buying a home may be fairly easy, but getting out of the purchase isn't always easy. 2. Buying a home may be easy, but getting out of the purchase at break-even or with a profit doesn't always happen. What's break-even? Example, you bought a home for $200,000 in 2008 and now you're selling in 2013. What's your cost to sell and how much would your home have to increase in value for you to break even? If you paid $5,000 in closing cost to buy the home and will have to pay 6% agent selling commission, your home will need to sell for $218,000 to $220,000 just to break even on your investment. 3. Sellers overprice their homes and don't overpay for a home, period. Don't assume that the listing price is a fair price, period. Obtain a Baton Rouge pre-purchase home appraisal before purchasing any local Greater Baton Rouge home. 4. Owning a home requires ongoing maintenance cost, and these costs can mean you sell at a loss. In the Old Jefferson case, it cost the homeowner $8,000 for a new roof and $2,500 for fresh exterior paint. I've witnessed more than a few Katrina buyers suffering losses when it comes time to sell. Some that bought new homes in the $70,815, $70,816, $70,819. Thanks for watching. Please see my link in description for more information. Bye.